Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Dodge Challenger. Stock number is A7347. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. We're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a dual point exhaust and a rear backup camera. Taking a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full stereo. You have dual climate control here, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Challenger on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.